Welcome back to Luke's Mopar Garage. Right here, we have a 1973 Barracuda. It has a hopped up little 360 in it, 727 reverse manual valve body. I'm assuming it has 8 3/4. Right, yeah. It's kind of rusty in some places, of course. Not the quarters, over the wheel well, rockers. The interior is pretty nice on this thing. Look at that vinyl and this weird cloth stuff here. Really fancy console. Yeah, this right here is a dash cap. It's not a dash pad. It's just a cap that you put over your existing broken one. It's a quick and cheap alternative to having to put a new dash pad in, but it's held up all these years. Headliner is pretty bad over there, but intact up here a little bit. No, never mind. Brand new metal floor. Has power steering, manual brakes, the basics, you know. Has these little shorty headers that exit just right there. Tiny little pipes. But one time we started this car up, and the grass underneath this little header here caught on fire.
No.
Oh.
You can see here where the antifreeze has been leaking.
Yeah.
And it's got all the paint distorted on it.
Huh.
So she's got a pretty good leak coming out of somewhere.
Yeah.
Got a few. Oh, well.
No, yeah. Oh no. Yeah, that's not great. But yeah, we'll put some antifreeze in it. See if it still moves. See if it still stops, you know. All the things it should do. Got some antifreeze put in there. Gonna prime the carburetor.
Optimus Prime.
Oh yeah.
Where's the choke?
Oh, there's no choke on this one either.
No choke. Helps if you douse the coil with gasoline.
Right. Give it some more spark.
Gives it some more spark.
Oh yeah. This will start up first try probably. Connect this battery here, give you more of a chance.
And hey, just for fun,
why
don't you run 2 black cables to your battery?
Yeah.
This right here is like the master. Black here, black here.
Right, it's anti-theft, man. You have to.
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
It's got
Oh,
there's something in there.
I see liquid in there.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see my own reflection.
Oh shoot.
Free.
Oh yeah.
I think it'll start.
Oh yeah. Man, it's already starting to leak too.
That ECM's not bad.
Oh yeah, that thing can blow up
Like
any day.
Thing we got.
brakes squeaking. Maybe you ran out of gas, man.
I think the rear accelerator pump shot.
Oh. Well, that would explain something.
It's got plenty of start up and go, but
oh yeah,
the rear, every time you hit the rear, see if it's squirting. No.
No.
See? Oh, there it is. Not every time. Not real happy.
No. It probably runs like garbage because of that Holly you got on there.
Well, when you find it in the back of a van, you don't know much about it.
That's true. What is it? Is that an Edelbrock coil?
Yeah.
It is an Edelbrock. Oh, so you're gonna blame that, aren't you?
Got to be an Edelbrock problem.
Can't be this nasty looking Holly here. It has to be an Edelbrock product.
It'd run 100 times better with a good carburetor.
Yeah. Not saying this Holly's bad, just a good Holly would work.
I let it sit for years at a time. Yeah. Dries out, leaks.
Yeah. So yeah, the Barracuda kind of runs like garbage at the moment. Could it be that we don't have a vacuum advance hooked up? That's possible. Could it be that junk gas got into the carburetor and clogged up a bunch of stuff? It could be. Am I just replacing it because it's a Holly and I think Hollies are garbage? 100%. I have nothing against Hollies. It's an old crappy looking carburetor, you know, that we don't really trust. And it probably is gunked up or seized somehow, you know. Just gonna put something on there that looks a little bit more dependable. And what is more dependable than an Edelbrock carburetor? And in this case, it's a new Edelbrock carburetor. Yep, I'm gonna put the newer looking Edelbrock carburetor on there and see if it works any better. And remember, don't forget to grease these things up so that they're easier to take off and put back on again. Multiple uses. Time to christen the intake. Oh yeah. It's running better already. Well, that just broke. There we go, double springs. So now it's certified. Vacuum advance hooked up. Okay. Other side plugged off. We'll put a vacuum gauge on it later, but now we're gonna start it up. I'll put them both at about, what, 2 turns? Let's start out with. It's an electric choke, but we're not gonna hook that up today. Today we're just gonna wire it open. Plug that off. It's gonna hit it to the floor. Oh yeah, that's all the way. It's adjusted right. So currently we're having a problem with the blade. Doesn't want to shut on its own. Yeah, we're thinking the springs just might not be strong enough. I know that's a good excuse, but we're gonna try it. But now we're gonna test the vacuum. You wanna put your vacuum gauge on the port that always has vacuum. That one always has vacuum. The other one has vacuum when you hit the throttle. Yeah, that's decent. Yeah, that'll do the trick. That's the stronger spring. Well, now we're going to test to see how she acts with the Edelbrock instead of that old Holly on there. Pretty decent. Yeah, okay. Well, it definitely runs better than the way it used to, that's for sure. You know, with a little bit newer carburetor on there, of course it'll run better. That Holly can be taken and rebuilt and made running again. But this is just a carburetor that we had that we knew we could throw on and it would work better than it did. It's still not perfect, of course. We haven't done a tune-up on it for a while. It needs new spark plugs, spark plug wires, rotor and cap, you know. But overall, it performs better than it did. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and if you want to see more classic Mopars, feel free to subscribe.